Following bad SEO advice could at best leave you with a lot of missed opportunities and at worst get you in serious trouble with Google. I've run into some interesting myths lately, particularly coming from marketers about SEO. And these three myths all just are mind boggling and confusing to me because I don't even understand how they would have originated. So, this video is going to cover these top three SEO myths that you really need to stop believing if you want to have organic success online. So, one, the first SEO myth we're going to cover is that SEO doesn't work. SEO doesn't work if you're not doing it. That's the one thing for sure. I don't know why this ever came to be that SEO doesn't work. I can personally attest that SEO works. SEO is what we've done and always done. We do no other outbound advertising of any kind except for SEO, and we have more incoming leads than we could possibly keep up with. My SEO clients also have seen huge bumps in not just website traffic, but sales because they started implementing SEO. So SEO absolutely does work. It really, without SEOing your site, what SEO really is sort of the missing link between your website pages and those things that people Google. So if you're not implementing SEO on your website, that means you're really making it pretty much impossible for someone who's sitting down to Google, or obviously using Bing or Yahoo as well, looking for the kind of stuff that you sell or the services that you provide. They're not going to find you because you haven't optimized your website pages or your online store or whatever it is, depending on your business, because you haven't optimized for search. So you need to implement SEO on your website so that you can match those searches that are coming, that Googlers are using to try to find the kind of stuff that you offer to people. So that would be the number one myth. The second SEO myth that I've been running into a lot is that your website pages don't rank, only blog posts. Again, I don't even know where that could possibly have started. Your blog posts are links to your website, just like your pages are links to your website. Why would one be able to rank and not another one be able to rank? And anyone who has optimized their website, you know that inside your particular website platform, your CMS, whether it's WordPress or something else, because there's lots of different kind of website platforms that allow you to SEO your pages and your blog posts. You have the same fields and the same capabilities, whether or not they're blog posts or pages. You can add those title tags. You can add those meta descriptions. You can add alt tags to your images and more. So there's nothing fundamentally different between the two, and it's not like there's also anything different at all about what you can do SEO-wise, whether it's a blog post or a page. So again, I don't understand how that became a thing. You absolutely can SEO your website pages. You can rank on your website pages. I do, and I have for years. So, and again, if you're not doing SEO, you're going to have no chance of showing up in Google searches. So why not go ahead and SEO your pages and then just see where that takes you? So the SEO myth number 3 would be that AdWords is SEO. I see this a lot. AdWords is paid, and SEO by definition is organic, meaning non-paid. So yes, they're both tied to Google, like if you're talking about Google rankings and it's a Google AdWords product. But as soon as the money stops with AdWords, so do your ads, your links, your listings. So they're totally two different things. So I've had clients say to me like, oh yeah, I'm doing SEO, and then it's just AdWords and they haven't done anything on their website yet. So AdWords is paid, SEO is organic. Chances are if you do SEO your website or your online store or whatever, you can significantly cut back, if not completely stop, your paid ads. So just understand that those two things are just completely different things, and it shouldn't be AdWords instead of SEO. If you want, there's still always a space for those paid ads, but make sure you have your pages of your website optimized too. So just a quick recap for the SEO myths. The top 3 that SEO doesn't work, that blog posts are the only things to be SEO'd because your pages don't rank, and that AdWords is SEO. I do have a blog post that goes along with this, so I will leave that in the comments below. And if you have a question, please let me know. If not, have a good rest of your day. Thank you.